In today's video, I'm going to teach you Semrush backlink gap, how to find competitor backlinks. First, make sure you're logged into your Semrush account. Once you're inside the dashboard, turn your attention to the left-hand panel. There, hover your mouse over the magnifying glass icon. This icon opens up the competitive research tools. From the options that appear, look for the section called Competitive Analysis, and then click on Backlink Gap. This will open the Backlink Gap tool, where you'll see a series of fields at the top of the page. In the field labeled U, enter your own domain name. This is the website you want to improve by finding new backlink opportunities. Just type it in without any extra paths, usually in the format of your main domain. Next, move to the fields to the right where you can add your competitors. Enter one competitor's domain per field. These should be websites that rank for the same keywords or serve the same audience as you. If you want to add more than one competitor, use the Add Competitor button to open additional fields. Adding multiple competitors can give you a broader view of the backlink landscape in your niche. Once you've added your domain and at least one competitor, click the Find Prospects button. Semrush will now start pulling in data. This process can take a little while, especially if you've added several competitors or if they have a lot of backlinks. Be patient and give the tool time to load everything. When the data has finished loading, you'll see a table that compares backlinks across all the domains you entered. Focus on the websites that link to your competitors but do not link to you. These are your primary backlink opportunities. In other words, if a site is already linking to similar businesses, there's a good chance they might also be open to linking to your content, products, or services. To dig deeper into these opportunities, look for the Referring Domains option and click it. This will open a new page showing a detailed list of the backlink source websites. Again, wait for the data to fully load. On this page, you'll see each referring domain along with useful metrics such as the authority score and the total number of backlinks coming from that site. Use this information to prioritize your outreach. Higher authority scores and relevant domains are usually more valuable targets. And that's it. You've now used the Semrush Backlink Gap tool to quickly identify competitor backlinks and uncover powerful link building opportunities for your own site.